Hey guys, what's up? My name is Bharat, you're watching iGyaan and it's time for Top Tech. So let's quickly get started. Today we're checking out top tech products under 1000 rupees and also under 2000 rupees. Now top tech products tend to sell out quickly, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon if you like top tech and would like to get notified the minute the top tech video goes up. Let's get started with the first product. Now the first product on our list is the Logitech Pebble M350 wireless mouse. Now the beauty of this mouse is the compact form factor and the really slim design. But despite being compact and slim, this is a well-rounded mouse and it's comfortable to hold, and especially now when people are working from home, this is really good to use for long periods of time. The second benefit of this mouse is that it is a completely silent mouse, so the clicking sounds and the scrolling sounds are not heard by people around you. So if you're somebody who lives with other people who get disturbed by your mouse clicks, you can get this to give it a quiet sound and then the people around you won't be disturbed. The mouse does include a 2.4 GHz receiver if you want really lag-free experience, but it also comes with Bluetooth, which is also relatively lag-free, and for everyday tasks it's handy. And then it can also connect to your PC or laptop or tablet or any smartphone that does support mouse input. A really compact and high-quality mouse to be had. We'll leave prices on the screen and links in the description below. The next product on our list is the Ikea Lamp. Now this is the Swallet. It's a really cool lamp and it costs well under 800 rupees. Officially, if you buy it from Ikea, it's much less. But the fact that it is available on Amazon and can be shipped all over the country, you need to pay a little bit of a premium. The design is really nice. It's extremely lightweight and it does take a standard E14 bulb. The frame of the lamp and the overall form factor of the lamp is excellent for it being a desk lamp. And if you're somebody who's looking for a very well-priced, compact, lightweight, good-looking lamp, this one is definitely going to add to your desk setup, especially if you're doing a PC build or any other kind of desk setup. This is a good add-on to that. Definitely go check this out. Now, the next product on our list is the Samsung power bank. Now this is a 10,000 mAh lithium-ion power bank, pretty standard power bank if by the looks of it. It's got a really nice build quality with an all aluminum outside design, and it does have Samsung batteries, which is absolutely fantastic. You get two USB Type A outs on the top of the power bank, and it also does support adaptive fast charging. So if you're somebody who uses Samsung devices, you can take benefit of that, but it also supports standard 18-watt charging for other smartphones as well. If you're looking for a quality power bank that will last you a really long time with good warranty, this one is definitely worth that money that you pay for this. Go check this out. Next up on our list are these Belkin cables. Now, if you're looking for a quality cable, this Belkin 3.1 USB-A to USB-C cable is exceptionally good. Now, we use this for ingesting data from our cameras to our editing machines, and we also use this for fast charging. It supports almost all devices. It has a 3 amp charging output, a 3-foot length, a really high quality insulation, as well as the quality of the cable itself is absolutely fantastic. We've been using these for years and definitely something that we'll recommend again and again. Go check these out, especially if you're somebody who's sick of cables dying on you. Next product is quite interesting. Now, even though smartphones include a lot of wide angle lenses nowadays and also macro lenses, this is for somebody who would like to use their main sensor, which is usually a bigger megapixel or a high quality sensor with a macro lens. So the Skewbi 2-in-1 clip-on lens is really cool because it's universally adaptable with any smartphone with a camera. It gives you a 0.45x wide angle lens, and it also gives you a 15x macro lens, which is absolutely fantastic. The quality of the lenses and the glass is really good, and for the price you also get a case to store the lens, and you also get a lens cover as well as a back lens cover to carry the lenses safely and securely. And the clip also has a screw on, so when you're ready to attach the lens, you can screw it on to the clip easily. A really good quality lens for the price that it's available at, and I've actually been using this for a couple of months, and I thought I'll include this in Top Tech because a lot of people would enjoy using something like this. Definitely go check this out. Now, next up on our list is the TPLink Archer T4U. The prices on this keep varying. We roughly paid around 1800 for this, so I would recommend that you wait till the price drops to around 1800, which is an ideal price for this. Now, this is a AC1300 Wi-Fi dongle, so to speak, so you can simply plug it in to your PC or a laptop which doesn't have Wi-Fi, and this will enable Wi-Fi. Or if your Wi-Fi is an older generation and is not as fast, you can simply plug this in to increase the speed of your Wi-Fi. It does support dual band, so it is 2.4 GHz as well as 5 GHz connections, and it connects over USB 3.0, so you do have that faster throughput capability, which this does require. It's a simple plug and play device, and most PCs and MacBooks will support this as For PCs, Windows will automatically install the drivers and enable this, and for most MacBooks, it will run as plug and play. If you're looking for increasing your Wi-Fi speeds or simply adding Wi-Fi to a PC that doesn't have it, this is an easy way to do it, and because it opens up and converts into an antenna, you also get a considerable good amount of range. Links to this are in the description below. Now, next up on our list, because of the weather, I definitely have to recommend this for the price that it is available at, the Bryant Aero F20 Fan. Now, this is a foldable fan that does include a inbuilt 5000 milliamp hour lithium battery that gives about 2 to 7 hours of usability, and it charges in about 4 hours fully. So this is a really good quality fan, and it does have 3 speeds and a 5-blade design, and you can also fold it halfway to use it as a stand on a desk. Now, the fan requires a long charge when you first open it and remove it from the box because it comes completely dead and with the LED lights not working. Once you plug it in and leave it plugged in for an hour or so, the lights will start to warm up, and then in about 4 hours the fan will fully charge. It is recommended that you fully charge your fan for the first time and then start using it. If you're looking for something that is compact and high quality, this one is definitely recommended, and I'll leave links to buying it in the description below. Let's move on to this next item, specifically designed for India. This one is a monitor cover. While it is designed primarily for 21.5 inch and 27 inch iMacs, it is also compatible with any other monitor or display that is 21 or 22 inches or 27 inches. So a lot of monitors nowadays are 27 inches, and we found that it works with almost all of them. The beauty of this is that it is lined with a soft microfiber type material which will prevent your screen from getting scratches, and then it protects the screen from getting dust, etc. On the back are also pockets, so if you have a Bluetooth keyboard or a mouse or some cables that you want to store, you can do that as well on the back of the cover. Definitely go check this out. Now, next up on our list is this 6 power port outlet. Now, this is interesting because it has 5 universal sockets as well as 2 universal USB jacks, and the beauty of this is that it has rotatable sections, so you can rotate the section depending on how you want to use it. They're all 180-degree rotatable, and they all have individual switches as well as individual LED lights, so you get to turn on only a segment of the surge protector, and then you get notification using the LED light. The universal sockets are useful for using things that have different kind of plugs, and this comes in handy because you only get to turn on segments that you are using, and you don't need to leave all the other sockets engaged. Because of the design, it also sits above the ground, making it safer and keeping it away from the ground, and because of the switches, you don't have the sockets engaged at all times, so a lot of safety involved with this. Overall, a pretty impressive surge protector. If you're looking for something like this, go check it out. Next up on our list is the Freeman's digital measuring tape. Now, I use a lot of tools in around the office as well as my home, and this has been something that I've added recently to my arsenal of tools. This is a digital measuring tape, means that it functions as a regular measuring tape, but it also has a display on top. The display allows you to get precise measurements, and you can also change units, so you can get measurements in centimeters, in inches, in feet, as well as the fact that you can swap around the way the display is oriented, and then you can also sort of note down all of these measurements and hold the measurement till you get to a point where you can write it down. Really convenient, and made by a company which is known in India for a really long time. A really well built product, and it comes with a carry case as well. Definitely go check this out if you're looking for a really high quality measuring tape. Now, next up on our list is something that I recently got into. Now, these cost only $8.99, and if you see them for anywhere more than that, please don't buy them, because I paid $8.99 and overall they sell for $899. It's called the NZXT Puck, and this is one of the coolest things that you can add to your PC build or your desk or anything that has metal, because this has magnets on the back side and it functions as a cable management system as well as a headphone mount. The beauty of this is that it is entirely made out of silicone, and it's got a really nice soft touch feel. It's available in a bunch of colors. We've got the blue and red over here, but it's also available in a white, black, and purple. Coolest thing is that you can split this up and it converts into 2. So if you want to mount 2 headphones, you can do that. If you want one for cable management and one for your headphones, you can do that. Or if you just want to split it up and divide the hanging capabilities, you can do that for 2 PCs, or you can just combine it and convert it into a single puck and then use it with 1 PC. Really cool device. Go check it out. It's a definite cool add-on to your PC build or any kind of gaming build that you may have. Now finally, on our list, the last product is the Victorinox Swiss card. Now this is a compact credit card size device which includes a bunch of tools that can come in handy for a lot of people, and it includes a pen, which is a ballpoint pen. It also has a screwdriver and a toothpick, which I primarily like to use for removing the SIM tray of most smartphones, so it can be used as a SIM ejector tool. You will also find other things in this sort of compact tool which are associated with Victorinox Swiss Army knives. So you'll get a nail filer, a blade, as well as scissors and a ruler as well. You also have tweezers in this. So a really compact form factor. It's all made out of stainless steel. Everything is made out of stainless steel and made with really high quality and made with precision. It fits in there really nice and compact and is a really good quality card. It ranges in price and is also available in different models. We will leave a few of them in the description so you can go check out which one suits you the best. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed Top Tech, don't forget to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done that. Like I said, please hit the bell notification icon to get notified, because Top Tech products may tend to sell out and then you may not find the products later on. This has been Bharat. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you in the next one.